Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is the vegan kind. This is the beauty box, not the snack box, the beauty box. Yes, the vegan kind beauty box. It says it on the side, Lucy, use your eyeballs. Self-explanatory, this is a vegan beauty box. They also do a snack box as well, which I get occasionally. I'll link that and I'll link any other videos. I don't have a discount code for this. I pay for this box myself. This has nothing to do with PR or anything. I just have the subscription because I like it. I do know on their website, however, they always have an offer running where if you use the code vegan, you can get money off any of the boxes they do. So I'll leave that link down below. But that is not an affiliate link or anything. I don't earn anything, but it's there if you want it. Okay, so this box was carefully packed by Susan and checked by Dorota, as it usually is. This is the box. And then it says, it doesn't say anything, it just tells you what it is, so I'll just get things out. So the first thing I've got is a Dr. Eve Rayuth Vitamin C Night Moisturiser. Ooh. Never heard of that brand. This vitamin C night moisturiser comes in a travel-friendly tube and is limited edition. Contains one of the best forms of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, that combines the hydration boosting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, argan oil and rose oil. Oh, for fuck's sake. Aims to brighten even skin tone. I don't know. Oh, $59.90. Fucking hell, $59.99? Christ. 60 quid. I'm not gonna open this. I don't want to because it's got rose in it, and I know I'm not gonna use it. It will just be wasted. So depending on what else is in the box, we might do a giveaway. We'll have a look in a minute. Next up, I've got Cheeky Panda biodegradable bamboo cleansing wipes. I use Cheeky Panda baby wipes occasionally when I can get hold of them on offer, but they are very expensive normally, so I don't always use them. Cheeky Panda coconut scented bamboo facial cleansing wipe for £1.99. Enrich your daily routine with 100% biodegradable makeup removal wipes from bamboo, not the same type that the pandas eat. Few Cheeky Panda makeup wipes are infused with 99% purified water woven with an embossed pattern to help you remove the most stubborn makeup. Proudly certified vegan and dermatologically tested on sensitive skin. £1.99. Lovely. Next, I've got Sun-Kissed Mega Long False Lash Mascara. Where are you? £4.99. Get the false lash lift with Sun-Kissed Mega Long Last Black Mascara. Sweep the supersized bristle brush from the base of your lashes and keep going until your lashes reach the sky. Vegan-friendly formula will darken and define your lashes, making your eyes appear larger and more open. Perfect to finish off a smoky eye look. I don't know if this is cruelty-free. I'll put it on the screen. I don't think I've used a lot by Sun-Kissed. I have a vague inkling that they are cruelty-free, but I will double check. Next, I've got the Nail Kind Nail Oil. This is £10.50. An industry-leading range that's up to 85% biosourced, vegan, cruelty-free, natural, plant-based, easy to apply, quick to dry, gentle towards the nails. If you love intense shiny shades and conscious beauty, then you are definitely our kind. Not forgetting the final OMG, it's affordable for all luxury. So that's like a nail oil that you just paint on your cuticles to make them less scabby. And then last, I've got a Beauty Kitchen fragrance-free Wonder Balm, $3.99. Whenever Wonder Balm it. When you can never find a lip balm when you need one. Free from Wonder Balm is packed full of nature's finest ingredients to nourish and soften lips and dry skin, and suitable for vegans. So that looks nice. I'm keeping the mascara because I want to. But I'm going to do a giveaway with the rest. So we've got the expensive moisturiser, the wipes, the nails, and the balm. I'm going to do it as a UK giveaway only, just because it's got the nail varnish in it, and then they don't like you sending that stuff abroad. I'll leave it open until the end of February. If you want to enter, please tell me, what is your favourite TV series that you're watching currently? Because I'm running out of things to watch and I want to know some more. yeah, that's all you have to do. I'll leave a link down below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. All the instructions will be down below for you guys. But yeah, if you want to win this box minus the mascara because I want to keep it, then enter the video, enter the giveaway. Yeah, do it, do it, do it. If I've got a few more of the little bits that I'm not going to use, I will chuck those in as well for you guys. Actually, just thought I got this in another beauty box, and it's a salt scrub. I'll chuck that in as well because I'm not going to use it because that is also rose scented. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.